I was asked a little while ago what I would do if I was starting over investing in my RDSP. And I was thinking about it. And I think because we get so much matching contributions from the government in, a self-directed investment account, what I would do is invest the 2/3 of the account that are government bonds and grants into stable growing index funds like one of the Vanguard or iShares or one of them BMO that invests in the whole market. And I would invest the remainder into more speculative things that I believe in, because I think the most explosive growth that I've experienced has been from the more speculative things, but the more stable things, help your portfolio not experience the major volatility that mine has. So I'm moving towards that, but that's what I would do if I was starting over. Hope you have a good day.